Oh man, I mean, listen to that sound. I mean, how would you like to go through life that way? There are millions of Americans across our country that have that same problem, tinnitus. It's a sound that just doesn't go away. But think about this too, for outdoor noise. Or better yet, maybe you just want to be able to sleep and you need a soothing sound. We have a solution. Hi, I'm John Creemans on asseenontv.com. For those of you that live with that incredible, painful, high-pitched noise that you have in your ears, whether you're trying to sleep and having a hard time doing it, or trying to focus when you're trying to work, that's tinnitus. We have a perfect solution. It helps to mask the noise that is debilitating to millions of Americans. The Tackler helps to solve that problem. And joining us today to tell us a lot more about this incredible product called the Tackler here at asseenontv.com is the president of Tackler, Daniel Wenniger. Daniel, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Now, Daniel, for most that are watching today, you have tinnitus yourself.
Yes, I have one of the worst cases of tinnitus in the state of Arizona. And tinnitus is just permanent ringing in the ears in which there is no cure for. And I've had mine for over 8 years now, and I've tried everything out there that claims to help or cure tinnitus even though there is no cure. And nothing has helped me half as much as a Tackler to help me concentrate and work, sleep, and just get through everyday life.
So now this is an in-ear device, right?
Yes, it's a in-the-ear device. It's virtually undetectable. I'm wearing one myself right now. You can hardly tell it's in there. And it has a lot of applications, actually. You can use it to help mask your tinnitus, a snoring partner. A lot of people travel often because of their job or take a subway to work every day. And it's very hard for the brain to habituate to loud voices, to the sound of jet engines, the subway going down the track. So if you're trying to concentrate and work, or maybe take a nap and get some sleep done, it's almost impossible because of the noise factor. So it's very easy for the brain to habituate to a very soothing ocean breeze-like sound so you can concentrate, get your work done, even take a nap and sleep if you like.
This would be almost like one of those sound machines, except it's going to be in your ear.
Exactly. A lot of people use a sound machine to help themselves sleep or to annoy their partner. With the Tackler, it allows the person that needs the sound therapy to sleep to just hear it themselves and not bother their partner.
Okay, let's take a look. I'll actually show everyone what it actually looks like up close.
That's the Tackler, and it just fits in the ear this way, and it has a volume control where you can adjust the volume of the ocean breeze-like sound. Okay. We make a left ear and a right ear model. In most cases, one is enough.
Okay, and there's actually 3 different sizes, so you're going to be able to fit the different size ears,
Yeah, the Tackler comes with different size, soft, comfortable tips to ensure a proper fit for any size ear. The mushroom tip seals off the ear canal completely to allow no sound to enter in. The fan tip allows some sound to enter the ear, so if you need to talk on the phone or if you need to hold a conversation, you can still do that while masking.
I see that the Tackler also comes with an earplug, and that it's not used when using the Tackler to help mask your tinnitus, but it's a must when using the Tackler to block external noise. So I guess you simply put the earplug in the ear in which the Tackler is not in so that you keep whatever sounds you're trying to avoid from entering the ear. I mean, and it comes with a carrying case, comes with everything that you need, even a cleaning brush to be able to control your Tackler and to be able to mask the sound that many live with every single day and don't know what to do.
Absolutely. And the Tackler is not a medical device, but this incredible little unit can truly help a lot of people, as it did myself and thousands of others.
Now think about this. You know somebody in your family that has tinnitus, or maybe perhaps it's you yourself. You're tired of the ringing noise. You're not able to focus. Or better yet, you just want to reduce background noise. The Tackler will solve that as well. All you have to do is hit our Order Now button. It's really that simple.